Okay, it's Steve here again, and this is about 12 minutes afterwards. Burgers are done. Look good. So I'm just going to plate them. This took me maybe 15-20 minutes to make. These are the kids' ones. They don't like spices or anything in it, but I don't blame them. When I was a kid, I didn't really like stuff either, like those spices. But now I couldn't dream how I live without having spices in my food. But anyway, these are the stuffed chicken burgers. Very easy recipe, to make. Not a lot of equipment to use. The manual food processor, the mix and chop, and the skillet here. So that is about it. So sniffle. Last day of the food group. So if you have any questions on anything, let me know. You have the link to ordering. Help Ray out, your co-host, for him to earn free products. I am a small business owner, so I would appreciate you supporting my business. I hope this past week of the virtual party gave you some ideas about improving your meal prep and planning. And if you are interested in hosting a party, whether it's in person with me, I can help you do that, or we can do it online with your friends. Let me know. And I do thank you for allowing me into your computers and phones this past week. So thanks for watching.